Hey, good morning guys, it's Math Machine. Welcome back to your Adventure Dose. Today we're in my homestead in Ocala, Florida, and we're gonna I'm going on a cruise actually. When you see this video, I'll be going on the boat tomorrow. I was gonna originally vlog the cruise, but I decided not to last second, just because I haven't took a vacation while I was actually recording in like a year. But I'm gonna take you with me today as I get ready for a cruise so you can see what I'm gonna do. I have a haircut appointment in like an hour and 20 minutes. I'm actually gonna cut off this long hair. It's the first time in like 8 years I'm gonna have short hair, so that's gonna be interesting to see what I look like. I'm thinking about doing like a Tim Tracker look with my hair, so I'm just getting over a cold. I got sick after making a Busch Gardens vlog last week, but I'm feeling better finally now, and I'm ready to go on this cruise tomorrow. If those are wondering, I'll be going on the Disney Wish, their second newest ship that they have. But it's a big ship. I have a window port family deluxe room. So it's gonna be a fun cruise. I will bring my DJI Action 4 with me, but I'm not gonna vlog, I don't think, on the boat itself. I may just make a vlog in the Bahama area when I go to the straw market, but I'm not gonna actually make any vlogs on the boat or anything because a lot of other content creators done that already. Now, we'll recorded a POV of the Agua Mouse, the ship's water coaster, but I'm probably gonna be going to Crumble. I got the haircut appointment at 11:30, and I'll be getting lunch after that. And I wanted to show you guys like what stuff you should get for a cruise. And I want you guys to let me know in the comment section after I watch the whole video if there's anything I should do differently to get prepared for the cruise. I'll see you in the next clip. Alright, I'll set up my car. I have the media mod on the GoPro, so it should be nice crisp audio. If my voice sounds raspy, it's just because I'm getting over a cold that I had since I went to Busch Gardens last week. I got it the day after I got back from Busch Gardens. So I'm gonna head to Crumble first. Then after that, I'll go into Kohl's to pick up some stuff for the cruise. So I heard they have like a magic wand or like a hand sanitizer that's like nice and good for your pocket, and it's very strong the material it's made out. So I want to get that because of that. But I'll probably play some clips, show some clips of me singing songs in the car. But I see you guys in those clips. I don't want to die, not tonight, not tomorrow, not tonight. I don't want to be home. Take me home, lonely road. I'ma go downtown, the freedom of my time. Oh, take me home to a place where it's on, where it go now. Stay in hometown, I'm still here, holding. So my favorite song from MGK is playing right now. My best friend X. Or my ex-best friend. And I absolutely love this song from MGK. It's a phenomenal song. First time in New York City. Oh, I swear to God, I never felt in love. And then it showed up and I never guessed I did. I felt, oh God, I never felt in love. I never felt in love. You showed up and I can't feel enough of it. I swear to God, I never felt in love. I never felt in love and there's enough of it. You know my ex thing that makes me so complicated. Complicated. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. I'm ready to let you go. This time's the last. I feel like this is actually one of the underrated songs that MGK ever made. It's called F You Goodbye. Fly tour, move on. F you goodbye. So I just arrived in the Crumble parking lot. I'm gonna go check in on the app and pick up the cookie inside. And I'll probably drive around somewhere that has a bench out so I can sit down and record it in heat so I don't have people looking at me. I don't want people bothering me while I'm recording today, really. I just want to look for a spot that's a little bit more private and I could get away with recording. I just got out Crumble. They showed me the cookie before they put it in this pink box that they have. The cookie looks amazing. I got the strawberry pretzel pie cookie. It looks freaking amazing. I'm gonna drive around and see if there's somewhere like a little bit more private that I can make a record without getting interrupted. If worst comes to worst, I could do it in the Kohl's parking lot and do it in like my trunk and make a food review there pretty much. Or yeah, I couldn't find any parking spots or anywhere private in there that could without people interrupt me while I record. So I'm just gonna drive around to the Kohl's area since I need to make a pit stop there for a couple of things for the cruise. so I can go to Kohl's area for that. Alright, I pulled up in the back end of the Kohl's parking lot just so it could be more private and reserved here. I can switch over to the DJI Pocket 3 just because that'll be a better camera, I think, to showcase the food. So I'll see you guys then. Well, here's the strawberry pretzel pie cookie that I got for breakfast. It's currently 11 o'clock. I have like a half an hour for my haircut appointment, so I'm gonna try and make this quick. I have the Crumbles cookie cutter, which actually cuts it to a better portion size, so I'll probably have like 1/4 of it right now and save the rest for later. Here's a better look at what this thing looks like. It looks so good. I can't wait to try it. Very good. Very, very good. It reminds me of like a strawberry shortcake. I'll probably eat half of it now and save another half for it later. It reminds me of like a strawberry shortcake with pretzels in there, which is very, very good flavor. Right? I enjoy it a lot. Yeah, very, very good. I enjoy it a lot. I'm normally more a fan of the warm cookies, but the chilled one for this one's pretty damn good. The cookie was phenomenal. I loved it. But I'm gonna go inside Kohl's. I'm probably not gonna record in there just because I don't want to intrude anyone or show like anyone that doesn't want to be on camera. I'm gonna go in Kohl's real quick and probably show you guys what I end up buying off camera or in the car. No, I decided to record on my phone, just keep it low key in there. And I just show you stuff as I go on. So I end up getting this Touchland Beach Cocoa Power Mist hand sanitizer. That's because I heard nothing but good things about this one. And also, it's made out of like a hard metal or hard plastic, so it'd be hard to break in a pocket and it'd be perfect for a cruise. So I'm gonna head over to my haircut appointment now since it's in like 15 minutes. I was originally planning to make one more stop, but I'll do that after the haircut appointment, one more stop. But I'll show you guys a little before. It's like, that's my shoulder right now, as you guys can see. And it's like all dried out the bottom part just because I used the sun in, whatever it's called, to get the back blonde because I'll be safer than bleach, but it's not, I don't think. But that's not the reason why I'm cutting it, just that I'd rather have shorter hair too because it's easier to maintain at this point, I feel like. And then I could pull off like a Tim Tracker look pretty good, I think. So I'll see you guys when I get that the haircut place. So I'm not gonna lie, I'm low-key kind of nervous about this haircut because I haven't had a haircut. Well, I haven't had short hair in like almost like 7.5 years. So I'm like low-key nervous about this haircut. I hope I still look good with the short hair. Well, I'll find out though after the haircut. Yeah, just put up to my haircut place. The place I go is actually Fantastic Sam's. I highly recommend using Ashley from here because she does a phenomenal job on both men and women's on haircut. But I'm low-key nervous just because I'm not sure how I'll look with short hair since I haven't had short hair in like 7 years. But I want to do this anyway just because it's easier to maintain a short hair, and like when you have long hair you really can't put hair gel in there because it'll dry it out. And my hair gets all frizzed out on roller coasters because of that anyway, so I was trying to do something like I would like and do that, and I do like how Tim Tracker does his hair, so I'm gonna actually could do it like that. So I'll see you guys after the haircut. So this is what the haircut came out like. As you can see, it's not long anymore. I'm not sure, I like it, but I'm not sure if I'll permanently like it. But it's not long anymore, and it looks good. It looks like it'll be easy to manage and style, so I like it. I'm gonna go over to the next store where I need to get some travel size stuff, like the toothpaste and toothbrushes and deodorant. So I ended up going to Walgreens to buy this men's traveling kit. I originally was planning to buy just a small one, but I ended up getting this kit because it has the shave deodorant, which I really needed, and it was gonna be $5 extra. It would have been the same price, and you got a lot more with it, so that's why I bought that kit. I'm gonna make a couple more pit stops, but none of them are essential to the cruise, so I probably won't vlog it. I stopped by my mom's work so I could show her my haircut, and she actually really likes it, and everyone that was there at the time actually really likes the haircut. So I think this is gonna be a keeper look. I'm happy with it. This feels so short and different since I'm used to my hair being long. But I like it. I think it's gonna be here to stay. I just picked up my lunch at the Chinese restaurant called Rock and Roll 2. That's the best Chinese restaurant in Ocala, by the way. I got the General Chow's chicken. I'll show you when I get home. I'm gonna head home now. I've been out about enough already, and I'm gonna be gone for the next like 3 days. I'm going international for the first time ever. That might be the one thing I vlog, is the international part, but otherwise I won't vlog the rest. I see you guys when I get home. I really like the haircuts. I really like how it looks on me in general. It came out very good. I'm very surprised how it came out. But this is what I ended up getting. Let me put the tripod setup on here, which is set up now. And I'll change the camera over once I get stuff out of the bags. I have one of the things on there, the other thing here. So I ended up getting the Touchland Cocoa Beach, or Beach Cocoa scent, and the Walgreens brand men's travel kit. I was originally planning to just buy like a small deodorant and a dental kit, but that would have been like the same price as this kit, so I got the all-in-one kit. And I did have the cookie, the second half of the cookie I still have to eat from Crumble. I'm gonna end the clip here to get the other stuff out that's not for a cruise. This is the lunch I ended up getting from Rock and Roll too. It's a General Chow lunch special with the pork fried rice. It's very good. I get this from them at least once a week. And I got it with 2 egg rolls, and they always give me a fortune cookie. Well, I hope you guys actually enjoyed this more of a lifestyle vlog. I actually enjoyed making this more than Zala was gonna make this as a lifestyle vlog. I actually want to start incorporating it more if it performs good in the algorithm. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As normal, stay safe and make sure you subscribe to my channel if you like more roller coasters and possibly more lifestyle vlogs at this point, honestly. I had fun making it. We'll see how it performs in the algorithm, but make sure you like the video and subscribe to my channel. As normal, see you in the next video. Bye.